Yes, I man. Rastafari for all. Yes, I. Rastafari for all. Sweetest son I and I there yard. Yeah, hear me? Sweetest song again, sweet reggae music again, sweetest song again, sweet reggae music again. Wind up your waist and pull up your shoe. Reggae music up on the door. If you love it, open the door. Sweet, sweet, sweet sound, open the door. Sweet sound, man, open the door. Sweet, sweet sound, open the door. Awa. Sweetest sound again, sweet reggae music again, sweetest sound again, sweet reggae music again. Reggae music in the root, everywhere. Reggae music, Italia. Even at the church, in the yard, in the congregation, everywhere. Sweetest sound, oh yes, sweet reggae music again, sweetest sound again, sweet reggae music again, yeah. Yeah, man, back it up. Sammy, pull up your ear and penetrate this reggae music everywhere. Galong in the city, reggae music. On a hebaran, reggae music. Sammy, if it hit you, you feel no pains. Galong in the way, reggae flow on the yard. Reggae, them come again. Feel up the vibes, positive vibes. I and boss. Yeah. Reggae music. Yeah, baby, jump up the down, hear me. Reggae music, say me galong everywhere. Say me reggae music, even in the dance hall, in the yard, man, in the church, everywhere. Reggae, our sweet reggae music. Sweetest song again, sweet reggae music again, sweetest sound again, sweet reggae music again. Awa man, yeah me tell ya, come man in man and overstand this, because it's a I and I duty, me tell ya. Pupa, Moma, it's about Rastafari.